Hello, my name is Jesus Rivas and I'm gonna talk about the importance of the DNA study. Just to begin, I'm gonna explain what is the DNA. And DNA is an abbreviation of deoxyribonucleic acid, which is the hereditary material in humans and almost all other organisms. This is the genetic code that determines all the characteristics of a living thing. It means that all living beings, we have this code that could make us unique. All the things we discover. With this today, this and form in guanine pairing base side by this structure nitro two and the thing that for molecular that reside one thing replicate living process unique. Thank you for it.